Hi kids, how are you today? Today we are going to revise and see how we can present something with the PowerPoint. So the first thing that we should do is to choose our design. If we click on design, we can choose the one that we want. You are going to see here plenty of them, so choose the one that you like most. Here you write the title of your project or your presentation, Protect Our Planet. It will be my presentation. Here write your name, and in your case write your class. In order to add a new slide, I go here and I say add new slide, and I'm going to choose the slide that I want to use. Here I'm going to write ways to protect our planet, and instead of writing something more, I want to add a picture. So I go to picture and say that is from my computer, and I'm going to choose the picture that I wanted to paste in my PowerPoint. In order to make the pictures bigger or smaller, I go to the top or the bottom also, if you want to make it smaller or bigger, and move it to the place where I want the picture to be. And I can also choose the border of my picture. So I'm going to use it like this. But if I want the PowerPoint to have movements, I go here in transaction and I'm going to choose the one that I want. Okay, and I'm going to say to apply this movement to all my presentation. But imagine that you want the word to move. So you go to animation and you choose the one that you want to. You can try different types of movements and keep the one that you like most. Yeah. And I'm going to do the same here. Imagine, let's revise. I'm going to make the animation. In this case, I'm going to divide it, and the picture I wanted to, I don't know, to make a zoom. Yeah. You can also add here, if you want, you can add music, even a video. You can record yourself and put the video in your PowerPoint. And when you finish your work, you can save it. And here is very important to take into account that if you want me to see the movements you put in your PowerPoint, you should choose presentation with slides. Yeah, we click on it and we save it. Yeah. Once you have your PowerPoint saved in your computer, what do you have to do is to send it to me. So you go to your class. Imagine that your class is first, I don't know, for fifth day. You say that you want to share it. And what do is you add a file. You are going to find your file. I don't know exactly where did I put the PowerPoint now. I think it was here. Now let's see. Okay, our planet. I say okay. Once the PowerPoint is here, can you see it? I say that I'm going to upload it. Can you see it, how it is uploaded here? So I'm going to wait, be patient. And now you can see here my work. So here I'm going to advise my teacher. Hi, Cristiana. My name is Pepita. And I send you my work about planets how to save our planet. Yeah. And you say to publish it, and that's all. So easy. So hope to see you soon, guys. Have a good time.